Mastering the DOL starter circuit. Are you ready to dive into the world of motor control? Let's explore the Direct Online Starter Circuit. The Direct Online Starter, DOL, applies full line voltage directly to a motor. It's simple yet effective. Let's get to know the key components: contactors, overload relays, push buttons, and more. The contactor is an electromagnetically controlled switch that acts as the motor's gatekeeper. Next, the overload relay ensures the motor doesn't overheat by tripping the circuit during excessive current. The start push button energizes the contactor, while the stop button brings everything to a halt. The motor typically used is a squirrel cage induction motor, connected in star or delta internally. Let's explore the operation sequence. First, you press the start button. Next, current energizes the contactor coil, signaling it to connect power to the motor. As the contactor's main contacts close, the motor receives full voltage and kicks into action. An auxiliary contact closes to create a holding circuit, keeping the contactor energized. Your motor will now run continuously under full line voltage, so watch it power up. When it's time to stop, simply press the stop button to break the circuit. The overload relay kicks in if the motor draws too much current, protecting it from damage. Control wiring connects the start and stop buttons in series with the contactor coil. In the power wiring, three-phase supply lines are linked to the contactor's main contacts. Safety interlocks like the overload relay and stop button keep your motor safe and operational. Let's recap. DOL starters are simple, inexpensive, and super reliable for small motors. These starters are best for motors under 5 to 7.5 HP, balancing power and efficiency. Use cases abound. Think water pump motors, conveyor systems, and blowers where high starting torque is okay. Ready to apply your knowledge? Start designing your own DOL starter circuit today. Think you can master this? Let's build a better motor control system together. Your journey into motor control starts here. Let's make it exciting and electrifying. Saving costs while ensuring safety is crucial. Embrace the simplicity of the DOL method. With the right setup, you're on the path to efficiency and reliability in motor control. Don't just watch, get hands-on. Build your own DOL starter circuit for real-world experience. Remember, every great engineer starts with simple steps. Your journey just began. Harness the power of motors, and let's electrify your projects with reliable performance. Join our community of innovators and share your projects. We can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more electrifying content.